The HX1000A L is the largest Stage 5 excavator in the HD Hyundai catalogue. Weighing in at 98 tonnes, this prime mover has been designed to be the workhorse of quarrying, mining and bulk earthworks job sites. We offer two types of bucket on the HX1000A L, a 5.4 cubic metre bucket and a larger 6.8 cubic metre bucket. Both of these heavy duty buckets are made with high strength, abrasion resistant steel for maximum durability, so they're perfect for working in even the toughest of conditions. The bucket cylinder has two spools in the main control valve for even faster loading times. There are two boom and arm configurations available for the HX1000A L. A 2.9 metre arm and 7.25 metre boom, perfect for mass excavation and bulk loading duties, as well as a longer 3.75 metre arm and 8.4 metre boom. Boom and arm regeneration sends hydraulic oil directly back to the tank, which makes cycle times faster and more fuel efficient. The HX1000A L offers a variable undercarriage, which makes transporting such a large machine just that little bit easier. The renowned Berco undercarriage features heavy-duty sprockets, 9 large rollers and a sturdy frame specifically developed for the toughest of conditions such as quarrying or mining. Stress is distributed more evenly thanks to a unique heavy-duty swing bearing which features crossed rollers. The machine features an extra-wide catwalk with an anti-slip floor, making daily maintenance easier and safer. The HX1000A L is powered by a Stage 5 18.1 litre Perkins engine, which produces 629 horsepower. Smart power control aligns the engine output and the torque with the working conditions. The HX1000A L utilises 3 main hydraulic pumps, each delivering in excess of 500 litres per minute, giving this machine a best-in-class total flow of 1,569 litres per minute. A Bosch Rexroth closed-centre hydraulic system ensures no hydraulic flow is used in the standby position, making this machine even more fuel efficient. Pump output is controlled by 9 electronic sensors, ensuring the right flow for the right application. Thanks to specially developed cab mountings and the air-suspended, heated and cooled seat, the cabin is both extremely comfortable and quiet for the operator. With loads of space, great visibility and easy access to all of the controls, this is a fantastic space for the operator to be in. Productive, fuel efficient and durable. The HX1000A L has been designed to be the perfect prime mover. For more information on this machine and other machines in the HD Hyundai range, visit us on our website or contact your local dealer.